Now that we've explored the Agile mindset, let's look at the Scrum Framework, the most popular and widely used way to bring Agile to life. Scrum is not just theory, it's a practical framework that helps teams organize, focus, and deliver. If Agile is the philosophy, Scrum is the playbook. It gives us the roles, the rules, and the rhythm to succeed. Let's break it down step by step. Scrum as a framework, not a process. Scrum is lightweight, simple to understand, but powerful in practice. It doesn't prescribe every detail. Instead, it provides a framework of roles, events, and artifacts that guide how teams work together. Think of Scrum as a sports playbook. It doesn't tell you exactly how to run every move, but it defines the positions, the rules, and the key practices so the team can win the game. The sprint cycle. At the heart of Scrum is the sprint. A sprint is a short, time-boxed cycle, usually 2 to 4 weeks, where the team focuses on delivering something valuable and usable. Instead of waiting months or years, the team delivers in small, frequent increments. Each sprint ends with a potentially shippable product increment, meaning real, working results. Here's the magic. At the end of every sprint, the team and stakeholders review progress, gather feedback, and adjust. It's a constant loop of build, check, improve. The Scrum roles. Scrum defines 3 roles that make the framework work. The product owner. They represent the customer and business needs. Their job is to define the vision, manage the product backlog, and prioritize what's most valuable. Think of them as the voice of the customer. The Scrum Master. They are the coach and servant leader. The Scrum Master removes obstacles, ensures Scrum practices are followed, and supports the team. They are not a boss, but a guide, someone who helps the team perform at its best. The development team. A self-organizing, cross-functional group that does the actual work, designing, building, testing, and delivering the product increment. Unlike traditional teams, Scrum teams don't wait for instructions from above. They decide together how to get the job done. When these 3 roles collaborate effectively, the Scrum framework creates clarity, accountability, and balance. Scrum events. To keep things structured, Scrum has key events or ceremonies. Sprint planning, the team decides what to work on in the upcoming sprint. Daily Scrum, a short daily meeting to sync up. Sprint review, a showcase of what was built, plus feedback. Retrospective, a reflection session to identify improvements. These events give rhythm to the work, like the heartbeat of Scrum. Why Scrum works? Scrum works because it aligns with human psychology and business reality. Humans work best with focus. Scrum gives focus through time-boxed sprints. Businesses need feedback. Scrum delivers frequent feedback loops. Teams need autonomy. Scrum empowers them with self-organization. That's why Scrum is not just popular in software development, but also in marketing, education, healthcare, and even government projects. Real-world example. Let's take Spotify. They became famous for their Agile model, built largely on Scrum principles. Their teams, called squads, operate like mini startups. Each squad has a product owner, a Scrum Master, and a team of developers. They run sprints, hold retrospectives, and release features continuously. This model allowed Spotify to scale quickly, innovate constantly, and stay ahead in a fast-changing industry. Reflection for you now. Think about your own work. Do you work in short, focused cycles, or do your projects drag on endlessly? Do you have clear roles and responsibilities, or do people step on each other's toes? Do you review progress regularly with stakeholders, or wait until the end? If you answered no to any of these, Scrum can make a massive difference. Pulling it together. So Scrum is the engine of Agile. It provides structure without being rigid, focus without micromanagement, and rhythm without bureaucracy. When combined with the Agile mindset, Scrum helps teams not just survive change, but thrive in it. In our next slide, we'll look at the career impact of mastering Scrum and why these skills are so valuable in today's job market.